following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 12:30 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 10:21 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail from 28 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 46 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor around 11:40 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Monday morning / 1 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our